Good morning. So today we are going to knit some stocking caps. So I'm going to start with Liam. I'll put his name on it. He is 5. So we are using our 40 needle machine. And I am just going to start with a little tail, and then we have to do our put it on there. So you just want every other one. Okay, so the black one is the first one, but I'm using it as the last. So now we're going to make sure it's in there. We are going to put it on medium tension, and we are just going to turn it on and let it go. And I am going to watch right here and make sure that it catches every time. And we're going to do 140 rows. So what I am going to do is, he loves Spider-Man. So I am at 15 rows, so I'm just going to drop that down there. And I am going to make sure I have a hefty tail right there. And again, put this in the medium tension. So I'm going to hold on to both of these and turn it back on. We'll do a couple of rows of red. Well, let's see if we can get back around again. All right, that's going to have to be it, because this is a little thicker. And my machine is like, yeah, I'm not doing it. So we'll go back in with our black. We're going to take it back around that one. We're going to hold on to those. Okay, so I'm stopping at 120. He's 5. He doesn't. Anyway, we're stopping at 120. So I just cut the end, and I'm going to hold it right here, turn my machine back on. And there we go. Okay. So now we are going to unroll this so we can look at it. And we're just going to start pulling this string, but you want to make sure that these are turned the right way. So okay, just like that, just pull it tight. And then we're going to do the other side. Since I have my red stripes down here, this is going to be my outside. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go loosely around here to make sure that this does not unravel. Then I'm going to make a knot. But we're going to put the needle right in the center. And tuck it. We're going to tuck it right on in there. Okay. So now we have, that's the outside, this is the inside. You want to make sure we've got to find the center. We need our centers to match up. Okay. All right, so now we're going to take both of them. And we're going to go through both layers. Okay, once you've gone around a few times, we're going to take our needle, put it right back down through the center, flip it inside out. Just like that. Tie a knot. And then we are going to run our tail through the inside layer only. Okay. Then you can just hide those tails in there and no one will be able to see it. And then right here we have it. There is a little stocking cap. And then I'm going to put his little name on it. Just like that. I have 10 more to make. So thank y'all so much for watching, and we will see you soon.